The Bauchi State School Safety, Security and Violence Free Bill 2024 is a step towards addressing the issue of attacks, adoption and kidnappings in schools. Nigeria has a national policy on safe schools, and thus states are expected to domesticate the policy, and this is being championed by the Women Advocate Research and Documentation Center, with Syndicate for Supporting Women and Children Sisiwachi, with funding from UNDF. The Police Public Relations Officer, SP Ahmed Mohammed Wakil, said the Inspector General of Police has provided motorcycles to state commands to ensure patrols around schools. He added that together with the sister security agencies, the state command has mapped out a security architecture to protect schools, even though Bauchi has minimal security challenges. But schools need security since most of them are without perennial fencing. Desk Officer Safe Schools Initiative, Nigeria Security and Civil Defense Corps Bauchi Command, Mohammed Hussein, said the Corps has dedicated a desk in charge of Safe School Initiative. He noted that the glamour for the passage of the Bauchi State Schools Safety, Security and Violence Free Bill can only succeed if all stakeholders take the security of schools around them seriously. Giving an overview of the Safe Schools Project, the Safe Schools Project Coordinator of Women Advocate Research and Documentation Center, WATC, Jennifer Nwokedike, said the organization wants the state to domesticate Safe Schools Declaration, adapt and implement the national policy on safety, security and violence-free schools. The key message of WATC on Safe Schools Declaration is for every child to have the right to an education without fear of violence or attack, and every school should be a protected space for students to learn. Executive Director, Syndicate for Supporting Women and Children, Mariam Mohammed, said the public hearing is to increase knowledge of the public on Safe Schools Declaration and the adoption of a legal framework, as well as strengthen relationship among partners. During a panel session, community members, students, the security and the education sector spoke on the need for schools to be fenced and provided with emergency preparedness. Some of them said they will feel comfortable when the bill is passed, as they will be assured that their children will be safe in schools.
We will all be happy because it's really going to look at the critical issues and how it's going to improve the safety of the children in the school, on their way to school, and even at home.
And it is timely indeed, because I believe that every child should be able to go to school and to do so freely. It is not their responsibility to take care of themselves. So creating platforms that allow them to, learn without stress, learn with security, learn freely, and not have to bother about who is abducting who. It is very crucial, and it aids learning. And where our schools are not secure, I tell you, even the future is uncertain, because education will be put on hold.
It is so important because there is a policy at the federal government level. The federal government had already approved the school safety and security bill, policy at the federal level. But the system of government we operate in Nigeria is a tripartite arrangement. Whenever a law is passed at the central level, that law must be domesticated at the state level.
I will have a rest of mind when the bill is passed and the policy is now adopted. I believe that I will have rest of mind taking my children to school, most especially with the current happenings around.
Elizabeth Ka, BATV News.